Hello everyone! Today we're going to be learning about personal space by doing a really fun web quest. Let's start by clicking the introduction right here. This lady doesn't seem so happy that the man is touching her shoulder. Do you ever feel like someone is standing too close to you? When something or someone gets too close, it can make you feel uncomfortable. When you feel like that, what should you do? Today you will learn what personal space is and how to ask for personal space. All right, click on the task button right here. You're going to be defining what personal space is and filling out 2 worksheets that talk about personal space. Let's start by clicking the process button. First, you're going to click on this link right here. Write the definition of personal space on notebook paper. If there are any words in the definition that you don't know or don't understand, you can put the mouse over the word. It'll turn it blue. When the word turns blue, you can click on it to find the definition of that word too. Click the back button at the top of the page to go back to the personal space definition. Once you're done writing the personal space definition, you're going to click on this link. It's a YouTube video. You're going to watch and listen to the entire video. Third, you're going to click on this link right here. You're going to print the worksheet and follow the directions on how to color it. Once you're done coloring all the personal boundary circles, you're going to add these words: mom, teacher, stranger, friend, police, and doctor. You're going to put those where you think they belong on the personal boundary circles. Now here's a hint. If it's somebody you don't know, you would write that name on the outside of the red circle. But if it's somebody you know really well, like your dad, then you would write that name in the small pink circle. After the personal boundary circle worksheet, you're going to click on the link right here. You're going to print the bubble worksheet, and you're going to fill out all of the empty spaces on the worksheet. When you're all done with those 3 things, then you're going to staple the 3 papers together in this order. First, the personal space definition with your name at the top. Second, you're going to put the personal boundaries worksheet, and then you're going to put the bubble worksheet at the end. Turn the 3 pages in stapled to your teacher. Now we just learned about what personal bubbles were. Even this hamster has his own personal bubble. Next, we're going to click on Evaluation. The evaluation tells you how you're going to be scored. You can read through to see how many points, 1, 2, 3, or 4, you'll get for doing each part of the lesson. So if you define personal space with the complete definition, wrote out neatly with no spelling errors on notebook paper, then see, you'll get a 4 for that score. You're going to try as hard as you can to get 4s on all of these. For personal space, for watching the video, filling out the personal boundaries worksheet, for filling out the bubbles worksheet, and for turning in your papers in the correct order. Now, if you have any questions while you're working through this, you can always raise your hand and ask your teacher. Next, let's go to the conclusion. Click right here. From this web quest, you have learned about personal space. Now you know what personal space is and who should be near your personal bubble. If someone gets too close to you, you need to let them know you need some personal space. Now, if you've turned in your papers and you have some extra time, you can watch this video. It's a YouTube video of a lady who sits down and reads next to people, but she gets in their personal bubble. You can see what happens. I think they should have just asked for some personal space. What do you think they should have done? Thank you so much for doing this personal space Webquest. I hope you learned a lot. Good job, everybody!